Remove 2 screws from the front panel near the top. Remove or loosen 2 screws from the bottom of the unit. The front panel can now be removed and set aside. Close the water shutoff valve to the cooler. Depress one of the cooler push buttons to relieve water pressure in the unit. If the cooler has a bottle filler installed, place hand or container in front of the sensor on an EBF model, or depress push button on an SBF model to relieve water pressure. Unplug the cooler and, if applicable, the bottle filler power supply cord. Remove 4 screws attaching the top. There will be 2 screws per side. Do not remove the 2 screws closest to the wall. Remove 2 screws attaching the nose to the frame. Remove the nose from the cooler. Gently pull down first, then out, once the nose is clear of the top. Disconnect the water lines from the cartridge that is attached to the nose. Take the contactless nose and reconnect the water lines. For pressurized units where split level or bottle fillers are being used, connect the water line from the cooling tank to the solenoid valve. Connect water line from bubbler to cartridge outlet. Make sure all water connections are fully inserted. For non-pressurized units, connect water line from the water inlet to the solenoid valve. Connect the line from the cooling tank inlet to cartridge outlet. Insert the contactless nose into the frame. Attach the contactless nose to frame using 2 screws. Note that there will be 2 open holes on each side. The top one is to be used. Reattach the top using 4 screws, 2 on each side. Route the contactless nose cords behind the center brace and secure them so they do not interfere with the fan blade. For coolers with an electronic bottle filler, remove screws from the side and top of the bottle filler if applicable. Tip the bottle filler forward on models with a tether. Detach PWEBF power cord from the power supply. Disconnect water lines from models without tether and set bottle filler aside. Pull PWEBF cord through the hole from the top of Versacooler and dispose. Replace PWEBF cord with extra power cord from Contactless nose. Feed the cord through existing hole on top of the Versacooler. Plug new cord into power supply of PWEBF. Make sure cord is fully inserted into power block. Plug contactless nose power cord and P8AC power cord into wall outlet. Turn on water shutoff valve to cooler. Check plumbing connection for leaks. Check for proper operation of contactless nose by placing hand within 5 inches below electronic sensor. For bottle filler models, check for proper activation by placing hand or container in front of sensor. Reattach front panel to cooler using 4 screws. Remove the white protective material from the stainless steel nose assembly.